So this is going to be my November cover page. It's going to be simple and easy. I'm just going to write in November in hand lettering and then add some straight lines, horizontal and vertical. The lines don't have to be perfect, so just draw them in short, long, horizontal, or vertical. It's up to you. So now we're gonna be going on to the month at a glance calendar. So I'm gonna draw a few boxes that equals to 30 days of November. So each box size is 5 by 5. I'm gonna speed through this process and show you what happens next. So now you see all the boxes, and now I'm gonna put in November as the title. Now I'm going to add some lines to fit with the theme. So as I said earlier, just draw your lines randomly. Doesn't have to be perfect. Straight line, horizontal lines and vertical lines. Now let's add the date. So November starts from Friday till I think Friday or Saturday. I'm not sure. So write in the dates. So now I'm gonna be adding stickers using the weekday stickers. So you can find these stickers on my shop, Christine Chin shop on Etsy, or visit my Instagram. So now I'll be adding other stickers, some floral and crystal stickers onto this to fill in the empty spaces. So now I'm gonna make the next spread, which is the from Thursday to Sunday one at a glance. So I'm just gonna draw in these boxes again. So there are 5 by 5 boxes. So now I'm writing in the dates from Friday to Saturday, the 1st to the 30th. So now I'm gonna add the weekdays, so Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. I couldn't fit 7 boxes in one whole spread, so I did Saturday and Sunday in one box. So now I'll be adding some stickers into the corners, the white spaces, to fill in them in. So on top of Thursday, I'll be adding some short and long lines. Again, does not have to be perfect. So now that we're doing the habit track, I have 6 categories, which is water intake, gym, skincare, no spend, lettering, and Instagram. So now I'm gonna write habit tracker as a title and hand lettering. So now I'll be drawing in the boxes. So there's 30 days in November. So I'll be drawing 30 little boxes. So I'll be drawing them without a ruler. So this is fast and quick and easy. Once the first 2 are done, it'll be easy to draw the next 4 because I just follow that first 2 as a guide. So now this I'm drawing is the water intake. So again, 30 little boxes, 30 days. And I'll label that as water. So as I said earlier, that the first 2 are drawn, so I'm going to use that as a guide to create the next 4. Since now the 6 boxes are done, now I'm going to be drawing the horizontal and vertical lines in the bottom left corner to follow the theme. So now I'll be adding a quote that says, "It doesn't have to be perfect" on the other side of the lines. Now I'll be adding some stickers again to fill in the white space. These stickers can be found on my Etsy shop, Christine Chen shop on Etsy. And now I'll be adding washi tape. I was struggling with opening this washi tape. It took me forever to get it through, but I'll be fast forwarding the struggle. So finally, I was able to take out the washi tape, and now I'll be adding some stickers again into those white spaces. So how I draw in my habit trackers is I just draw little circles in those boxes. So on to the monthly expense tracker. I'm gonna write in monthly tracker as my title for this tracker. My monthly expense tracker is pretty basic and minimal and simple. I have 3 categories, which is the first one is date, and then description, and then the plus and minus sign. So I'll be drawing in these lines. So for the date, there will be 2 boxes, 2 boxes in between, and then the rest is just random. So I'll be writing in the date, description, and then the plus, dash, minus sign. And now I'm just filling in the lines with gray. So I do 1 line and then skip a line, and then do the gray, skip a line, do a gray, skip a line. And this is my monthly tracker. On to week 1 of November. So I'm gonna use this calendar. As you can see, there's 31 days, but then in November there's 30 days. So what I do is usually I stamp it, and then grab a scrap piece of paper, and then I would just remove the 31 by pressing on it. And then that's complete, and then usually I just put on there. Whoops, not perfect. If it's not perfect, I usually just go back, use a pen, and then trace it. 30 days. Right in November. Then right next to it, I'm gonna put my notes section. So usually I just put short notes, reminder kind of thing right here. And then is my weekly boxes. So this box is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for my weekly boxes, there are 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leave 1 space. Go to the next. There, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Same thing goes for the 1, 0, 1, 2. So we have 3 boxes here, so Monday to Wednesday, and then the next sheet will be Thursday to Sunday. Adding some lines to fit the theme. Like I said earlier, the lines do not have to be perfect. Short, long, up to you. And then let's add in the Monday. I'm using stickers that are kind of filled cut, but they are fine in my journal. Monday. And then I have a stamping. I'm gonna stamp in the numbers. Four, 5, 6. And then let's not forget the notes. Okay. That's one done. And now let's go to the Thursday to Sunday. Again, 6 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip block. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the bottom box could be any for your to-dos, important, etc. I just put my important down here. So this is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then important. Stickers I'm using. And then I'm gonna add some word stickers. Let's keep it simple, babe. Let's put it right here. And now I'll add one in the days, maybe Thursday. Make yourself proud. Make yourself proud, maybe on a Friday. And this is my week 1 spread. Put this in my mini planner. I switched from a mini planner to from a classic planner to mini planner. But I'm still using my classic planner as a home planner because this one I can bring everywhere I go. Whereas the classic, I hate bringing big bags, so this will be a better fit. So this is the front page. The month at a glance. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday. My habit tracker, my monthly expense tracker, and then the first week of November. Oh, I forgot one thing. Gotta know which week it is. I forgot another thing. The stand for the dates. 7, 8, 9, 10. Like I said, doesn't have to be perfect. That's 10.